Yeah. And now I'm about to get back on my shit. Motherfuckers try to play full of bullshit. Hey, don't try me, nigga, don't try me. Don't try me, nigga, don't try me. Don't try me, nigga, don't try me. Don't try me. Ay, when I was young, selling that cocaine for that powder snow. White snow, go in the blizzard, put your sweater on. I swear to God, I walk up in your fucking storm, nigga. All up in thorns like Jesus Christ just to sacrifice his soul. Look at them now, I'm really gone. They see me now? Everything that I changed when I was young, damn. It's just a cold world when the trap shit, Facebook, everybody's watching us. Now we doing things, representing Texas, nigga, I ain't hard to find. Everybody selling dope, nigga, I'm hard to find. I be really rare, but then again, I'm chilling with my family, nigga, and this is what I need to do, ayy. Sell that cocaine, put it to my midbrain. Midnight 24/7, my nigga hustling now. Hate that struggle bullshit. My face, my battle, be my shit. Sometimes I need to break, then again I'm selling a lot of shit. Kilos in my backpack, and I told my cousin pack the shit. Grabbing heats and grabbing weapons, nigga, and I know it's straight protection. Ain't nobody say that I been dead and gone. One nigga just try to stab me, fuck that nigga, and I got that nigga gone. I swear to God, ain't nobody wanna try me, G. And then again, and I know they wanna try hard, nigga. One day show off, and you test your brain, you test your life, you test reality. You're outsider, out of your flesh, that don't try, but when you in it, when there's so many spirits in your body, you can't handle all of your shit. All of that weight and all of you hear voices all up in your brain. All of these lies and all this shit, I recognize all the people, nigga, who's real, what is fake. Nigga, I swear I hate these serpents. Keep your grass fucking low, no matter where you go. Gotta keep your shit clean, as you really wanna say. All these haters wanna talk, bitch, you know who I'm from that Texas where I be. Yeah, I was raised in all the 10. I was raised from the forward every time when I was young. Don't try to test my brain, I will fuck your whole life. Traumatize and paralyze your mind and fuck up with your high. Kill your vibe, all up in the side. Then I don't mind if I grind, if I sell some shit. Nigga, I don't really care. Roll some weed, I done it before. What you want, I don't really care. I grew my shit when I was 15 years old. I got caught up when my mama checked my shit. All up in the closet though. Grew my shit with cooler kush, full of corn, call that Joe's kush. I don't give a shit, my nigga that's got a lot of crystal shit. TAC up in that hoe, full of details in that hoe. Yeah, my nigga that Chrissy knows, pulling hydro in that hoe. Pull a fish tank in that seed and growing like a hydro. Hit that flow, nigga, growing high grow. It's that high grow, nigga. Ay, I used to sell a lot of this shit, smoke a lot of that shit. Used to get high with my supplies, hate all of that shit. When you get high, when you get lost, and swear to God, trying to test your brain, trying to rip you off, then you get crunk in this bitch. See, test everybody's mind, but then again, you know it's real. Niggas say they really got your back, but then again, they will flip it on you. Straight betray you, fuck you over, put your life in the straight day. In the end of the lines, nigga, that stop sign, you dead and gone. I don't really care what they say, but then again, you gotta watch your back. Fuck niggas say we've been on, but yeah, we been on since day one. Damn, for real.
Don't fade away. Be sensational. Introducing Garnier Color Sensation. Rich, long-lasting color.
Bitch, you was so